another episode of the 35mm diaries. I got a package from Kodak photo printer global and they just wanted me to test it out, so I decided to do a episode. So I'm gonna unbox in front of you guys, show you how it looks like, and I guess it'll start from there. We'll go from there. Ooh, all right, let's see. I got, okay. So this is the Kodak Mini 2 retro printer, and they gave it to me in white. Decided to open it. And they gave me 2 film cartridges. Each are 30 sheets. Alright. Ooh, I could like sticker bomb this, it'll be so cute. And now I gotta read the instructions. Okay, so I'm gonna charge it now because that's what the instructions told me to do. Okay, put it in and I'll be back. Alright, so that's charging, and now I will be downloading the app that connects to the printer so that you can choose what to print and put borders around it. Okay, it's called the Kodak Instant Printer. I'm gonna do that on my phone right now. It's downloading. Okay, while that charges, I want to open the cartridge. So each one is 10 sheets. This is how it looks like in the wrapper. Welcome, thank you for choosing Kodak Instant product. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like, and it's telling me that I have to click on this little button and it should find the printer, but it's charging. Let me get it. So I'm gonna turn it on, Bluetooth, and then Kodak Instant. It is connecting, and it is connected. So you're gonna open it and then use this little thing, pull it out. Oh my god, there was already film in here. I'm so dumb. Okay, but you take that out and you replace it with this new one. But let's see. Let's test it. Let's test it. Okay, I'm gonna print this one. Okay. That is blank. It goes back in. Starts with the yellow color. And then it's done. Wow, wait, this is actually insane. This is the photo, and this is like the original on my phone, and it's literally almost the same. Well, it is the same thing. I like it. Okay, so that's for testing it, so I'm gonna just start the vlog here.
I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you move, baby, you're so fine. Your hips swing like God's design. I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you dance, you catch my eye. You're so sacred, so divine. I've been fading, we've been hesitating. This feeling can't shake it, so why don't we just make it? Your hips swing like God's design. I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you dance, you catch my eye. You're so sacred, so divine. I've been fading, we've been hesitating. This feeling can't shake it, so why don't we just make it? Why don't we just make it? So why don't we just make it?
What if I wake up happy? And what if I wake up sad? Sorry if I said something that made you mad. Wishing that I could call you. Sorry my service bad, my bad. When I wake up you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you.
So yummy.
It takes two. 'Cause all I want is you. Is you. It takes two. All I want is you. Tell me, does a flower in the shade ever feel a little jealousy? Does it ever go away? All I want is you to answer me right now. Just dance with me right now. Just dance with me right now. When I wake up, you're not next to me. Guess I'm missing all your energy. That's all I want. That's all I want. Promise I am not your enemy. I just need another memory. That's all I want. 'Cause all